Welcome to this deep dive. We're sifting through a fresh stack of information today,
Yeah.
really looking for those key nuggets of knowledge for you.
That's right.
Our mission is to get you well-informed on a very specific snapshot of the world.
And today we're zeroing in on Chiang Mai, Thailand, and the surrounding areas. We're looking at the top city news from, well, the last 12 hours or so, August 4th, 2025.
Okay.
And our sources are pretty diverse local stuff like Chiang Mai City Life, national outlets like Nation Thailand, and, community platforms too, Reddit, Facebook, YouTube. We're here to help unpack what's really significant.
Okay, let's get into it then. Starting with something quite somber, actually. There's an ongoing investigation into the discovery of a foreign male tourist's body. It was found deep in the woodland near Doi Suthep, that big mountain near the city.
Yeah, a well-known spot.
Authorities think he died several days ago. He was found about 2 kilometers from village number 9, and there was a large backpack nearby.
Right.
Investigation and identification are still very much underway.
And what strikes me here, it's not just the investigation itself, which is obviously crucial, but it really highlights the unique challenges Chiang Mai faces.
How so?
Well, you've got that vast, rugged terrain, plus a huge number of tourists. A discovery like this, so remote, it can really slow down identification.
Ah, right.
It puts a real strain on local resources and affects public perception, too.
Definitely makes you think about those hidden complexities for the authorities.
Yeah.
Okay, shifting gears a bit, but still on a serious note, impacting security.
Okay.
Over in Fang district, which, borders the Golden Triangle area.
A known hotspot.
Exactly. There was a fierce gunfight between soldiers and suspected drug traffickers.
Yeah.
Very intense.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, resulted in 5 traffickers killed. It seems to be part of an intensified anti-narcotics crackdown.
That really underscores a grim reality, doesn't it? I mean, despite all these crackdowns in the region, these major drug routes just persist.
Yeah.
And 5 traffickers killed. That suggests something pretty organized and dangerous, not just small-time stuff. It kind of speaks to the maybe increasing militarization of these efforts, shows how deep-rooted the problem is.
A very serious situation there. And speaking of public safety, but maybe more on the urban side of things, this next item shows how everyday life can throw up unexpected challenges. A newly reported sinkhole.
Ah, I saw mentions of this.
Yeah, it opened up at the northwest corner of the city's outer moat road. The local community immediately put out warnings about street safety there. We saw this pop up on Reddit, Facebook, YouTube.
It's actually fascinating how fast communities mobilize online now for this kind of real-time safety info. It's not just, a sinkhole. It brings up questions about the city's infrastructure, right?
Yeah.
Especially after maybe recent weather events.
Good point.
Makes you wonder how much people now rely on social media for urgent safety news, maybe even more than traditional channels sometimes.
It feels like that peer-to-peer communication is becoming really, really key. And staying on that theme of natural hazards, following Tropical Storm Wipha recently, it's clear vigilance is still critical. Floodwaters are going down in several northern provinces, which is good news.
Okay.
But the Disaster Prevention Agency is still monitoring, still reinforcing barriers in vulnerable areas, and that includes Chiang Mai.
It's not just about the immediate storm aftermath, is it?
No.
This really highlights the long-term ongoing vigilance needed after the storm. It's a reminder that even when the immediate threat passes, those preventative measures are absolutely crucial for, regional resilience. It's a constant effort.
A continuous cycle.
Yeah.
Now, shifting to something that really highlights the city's cultural side, its commitment there. Repairs are underway for the historic wall at Wat Lam Chang.
Oh, the 50-year-old wall.
That's the one. It suffered some structural damage recently. Restoration efforts are expected to start immediately.
That's quite striking, the swift action they're taking to protect these landmarks.
It is.
It's not just fixing a wall, is it? It's a very visible sign of commitment to preserving cultural heritage. And given its age, its significance, it just underlines the constant effort needed to maintain these ancient structures. It's a huge part of Chiang Mai's identity.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And finally, just for a touch of community life, sort of balancing out these more pressing issues.
Okay.
There's a public meditation session scheduled for today, August 4th, from 12:30 to 3:20 p.m. at Wat Chang UN temple.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, locals are invited to participate. Just a note about respectful dressing. We saw this shared quite a bit on Facebook.
That gives such a valuable glimpse into the daily life, the spiritual practices that really anchor the community amidst everything else, you know?
Yeah.
It's a good reminder that even with serious incidents or these bigger geopolitical things happening, the rhythm of local life, culture, spiritual well-being, it just continues. It offers a kind of quiet counterpoint to the headlines.
That's a really powerful way to put it. Okay, so let's broaden the view now. Let's look beyond Chiang Mai's immediate borders at the broader regional context.
Right.
Specifically, the ongoing tensions between Thailand and Cambodia. Thailand's foreign ministry has publicly urged Cambodia to stop spreading what they call disinformation about border clashes.
Disinformation. That's strong language.
It is. They're emphasizing that Cambodia was the initial aggressor, according to the reports we saw.
What's really significant there is the diplomatic rhetoric itself, using that term disinformation explicitly.
Yeah.
Well, it's a key part of modern geopolitical disputes. It suggests Thailand isn't just trying to manage things on the ground, but also control the narrative internationally. It's like fighting an information war alongside the border issue.
Interesting angle. And in a related development, the Second Army chief reaffirmed that Chong Khanma, that specific area, lies within Thai territory.
Okay.
And he denied accusations that Thai forces violated the ceasefire by taking the area.
This really gets to the core of these territorial claims, doesn't it? And the challenges of managing border disputes where you have these clashing narratives, these counterclaims.
Definitely.
The chief's statement, it's designed to assert sovereignty, to directly push back against the Cambodian claims. It shows how critical military leadership is in shaping the official stance in these, well, high-stakes situations.
Very high stakes. Now, in what seems like a move towards transparency,
Oh.
Thailand has invited the International Committee of the Red Cross, the ICRC, the main body for humanitarian law in conflicts.
Yes, of course.
And the UN Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights, the UN OHCHR, to inspect the condition of Cambodian troops currently in Thai custody.
Wow. Okay, that level of transparency is, well, it's quite strategic and maybe a bit rare in these situations.
Seems like it.
By inviting the ICRC and the UN OHCHR, Thailand seems to be trying to, validate its claims, ensure humanitarian standards are seen to be met?
Could be.
It's definitely crucial for managing international perception during a border dispute like this. It's like saying, look, come see for yourselves. We have nothing to hide.
A potentially very smart move. And finally, bringing these border tensions right back home, back to the local level in Chiang Mai, residents held a spontaneous candlelight vigil. It was at the Three Kings Monument.
Ah, okay.
It was to honor recent fallen soldiers and also just to raise awareness about these ongoing border tensions.
That really shows how these big national, international issues resonate deeply within local communities, doesn't it?
It really does.
It's more than just a vigil. It's a powerful public expression. Grief, solidarity, ordinary people connecting directly to the sacrifices made for the nation. It really fosters that shared sense of identity and concern.
A very poignant connection.
Yeah.
So wrapping this up,
Yeah.
what does all this mean for you listening? We've covered quite a range today.
You really have.
From, a tragic discovery in the woods and those urban safety alerts, right through to preserving ancient walls and the really nuanced complexities of international border disputes.
And as we've seen, a day's news in Chiang Mai, it's not just a random collection of events, is it?
No.
It's more like a rich tapestry. You've got the immediate local concerns woven together with these bigger regional challenges and those deep-seated cultural elements that really define the city.
So here's something to think about, a final provocative thought, perhaps.
Okay.
Considering all these diverse events just from today, August 4th, the tragic discoveries, the community warnings, the geopolitical standoffs, those spiritual gatherings, how do all these seemingly disparate daily headlines actually come together? How do they collectively paint this vivid, really complex picture of a city and its place in the wider world?